I'm Danielle and you can call me Dee. Today on Curvy Chronicles, we're going to be exploring the world of stealthing. Now, stealthing is when you choose to wear your corset under your clothing without anybody knowing that you're wearing a corset. There's a couple of reasons that you may want to stealth. The most common reason being to give you a more dramatic waistline. The next most common is to help you with your posture. An ill-fitting corset will sit on your body in ways that are not flattering, and they have the potential to give you muffin tops and back bulges underneath your clothing to create silhouettes that you definitely don't want. An accurate set of measurements will help you to get the perfect fit for your corset. I'll link the simple measuring guide in the description box down below. You also have to make sure that you are checking the sizing guide for each individual corset, because each corset does have its own special, unique fit. Now, the most common corset used for stealthing is an underbust corset. The great thing about an underbust corset is it does allow you to wear your own bra, which will give you the perfect fit and level of support that you're used to, while still giving you that beautiful hourglass figure that you're looking for. The other great thing about the bra and underbust combo is that it will actually help to hide your corset just a little bit more, because the bra will sit just under the corset, so together it'll create a seamless line. The clothing you choose to wear will also help you to successfully stealth. Something usually with a little bit more elastic in it is a good choice. This will help hug your body and show off your hourglass figure without clinging to your body in ways that are unflattering or making it too obvious that you are wearing a corset. I'm stealthing right now with the Isabella. The Isabella is a mesh cincher with 24 steel bones. The great thing about the Isabella is that it actually allows me to get up to 7 inches of waist reduction and really gives me that beautiful dramatic hourglass figure that I'm looking for. I love how tiny this makes my waist look. And another great thing is that with all the corsets from True Corset, they do have the suspender loops at the bottom, which really eliminates the need for a garter belt. I can simply attach the suspenders to the bottom of the corset and then attach my stockings to that. The Isabella is a mesh corset. The great thing about this is that the mesh fabric allows you to breathe, so it keeps me cool and comfortable and is a great option for longer wear time. Another great option for stealthing is the Siren ribbon cincher. This unique cincher has no boning and flat ribbon ties, which make it almost undetectable under your clothing. It's a really great option for somebody who finds boning uncomfortable or someone who's new to the world of waist training. You're still able to get a great amount of compression and that beautiful hourglass figure while staying cool and comfortable without the need for boning. Let us know in the comment section down below if you've ever stealthed. Don't worry, it'll be our little secret. Shh. As always, like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell down below so that you don't miss out on anything Curvy Chronicles. Thank you so much for watching.